and welcome to our program today. My name's Stacey Valentine. I am the managing partner with Avelino Law. Avelino Law has offices in Midtown Manhattan and Morristown, New Jersey. And the firm primarily focuses on private client services. So estate planning is our bread and butter. So today's program is called Estate Planning 101, and we're going to spend about an hour going through some of the basics as well as the more commonly used advanced estate planning techniques that are out there. So the purpose of this course is to kind of give you an overview of what estate planning means, what types of things are incorporated into estate planning. It would be foolish of us to think that at the end of an hour, you would be an expert or be able to just start drafting estate planning documents. But it is a good primer. And depending on your practice area and your level of sophistication, I hope there's a little bit of tidbits in here for anyone, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate, or even a more advanced planner. Hopefully a couple thoughts in here for everybody that can be helpful. So I have the live chat in front of me as well. I would encourage everyone to enter their questions as we go. We do have an hour, so it's a good amount of time. So I'm happy to take questions as we go along. And we'll go through the slides, but you'll notice that my slides don't really have a ton of content on them. Most of the content is in here, where it should be theoretically. So lots of flexibility for questions or things that pop up as we go. So all that being said, let's hop into it. So the first thing I always think of when I think of estate planning is what I would call foundational documents. Some people like to call these the basic documents. Just from a client relation and business standpoint, I don't like to use the word basic. Makes it sound like we're going to just create a 3-page will that takes 10 minutes and should cost $500, right? We don't want to create that impression in clients' heads. And so instead of calling them the basic documents, I like to call them foundational documents. They're foundational because every client needs these documents in place. It doesn't really matter if you're 30 and just had your first kid and have almost no money, or if you're my 100 millionaires or even my billionaires. They all start with these same documents, right? It creates the foundation of their general estate plan.